our one-on-one thing.
Here I am recording this, so let me let you be a presenter.
Alrighty.
Now, some of these well, we'll see. Some of these can be a little bit difficult to try to figure out.
Yeah, and this is new to me, so.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Here, let me share my screen. All right. This is what I do every time. The entire screen. Allow. Boom. Here we go. All right. So this is
Okay.
the code that I typed up off of your Word document.
Okay.
And this, yep. And so when I hit up the design, this is what I do.
Add the total payment display for each. Well, you're displaying a comment.
Oh,
And
no,
what
yeah. That's my note for myself.
okay. Display for each period to the above code, which is the amount of the interest and principal. Each month should be the same amount for payment. That's true. All right. So either go in and split it. Go into the view and split the code. There we go. Is it? Sorry. All right. When you run it, what do you get?
This down here at the bottom.
All right. What? Add the total payment.
Oh no, can you not see the chart and the buttons? Or
Can I not see? Yeah, where it says payment.
oh yep, so that's what I did. And then I added this down here because I think that you're wanting us to add that into the chart. Or
Yes, or into its own table. So
yes, yes.
scroll
So
up,
that's what I did. Okay.
scroll up. Not so fast. Hold on, because it's not necessarily in the script. Go down and let me look at it. Monthly principal. Go interest payment. All right, so you're not calling the monthly amortization, which that code's not on it. You have it, you're just not calling it.
Oh.
Go up a little bit so I can see line and stop and look at what monthly MONTHLY. AMORTIZA. So you misspelled it consistently.
Oh, so like each
So
one of them?
monthly amortization goes down there and does this. So in principal years, alert, you have a monthly payment since the number of years is 0. If year equals, so go in there and type in $10,000 for the amount of loan. Run it. No, I want it to run. I want to see what's going to happen. Open it up in a web browser.
Oh. All right, let me save it to my place where I always save the same thing. And then let me make sure I. Alrighty, and boom.
10,000. Yeah, yeah. Put number of years 5. No, you got. All right, so it's not an inbox. No, go to the next one. To the right of that is where we should be. All right, so we don't have that as the right type of box. So don't close this. Go back into, and it's the number of years.
Oh, right
Hold
here.
on. Yeah, you're missing the next part of it.
Oh.
You're missing a TD. Looks like it should be amount of loan, TD. Yeah, it should be TD.
Okay. So another TD right here.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
And this is where, hold on just a second. You don't have that right up there. Let me, yeah. Scroll up for a minute. Up.
Oh, go ahead.
Go. I can't go up. I want to
Oh.
see. Slow. Stop. Monthly rate. Scroll down. Slowly. Stop. Document right. Monthly interest. See, that's what we're missing is we got to do. What is that? Interest payment is equal to. So it's going to be it is going to be a TD. I'm trying to remember or see what variable we called this. And years. But scroll down and stop. Pennies. All right, go back up one more time for me. All the way to the top. If form value length and value length and years length principal is equal to eval form principal dot value APR. So we're calling it principal, APR, and years. Eval form APR value. All right, so that means I've got to go down there and scroll. Hold on just a second. I'm going to write those down so I don't make you come back. It is form principal value. And then the next one was form years value. All right, scroll down. Or go, we're at the top. Yeah, go down. Okay, stop. Payments. So go up just a hair. Okay, good. Payment is equal to years times 12. Monthly interest is APR divided by 12. Monthly payment years, we went through that, got our monthly payment. So the monthly payment is written. Then we start with payment number. Okay, start with payment number. Interest Okay, payment number, interest, and principal. And those are all my columns. All right, scroll down. Oh, wait. End table. For I equals 1, I less than the number of payments. That should work. We had right. I only see, no, there's a right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, scroll down. And down. Okay, so what we're at is, scroll down, payment, amount of loan, hold up, amount of loan, total, that's where we're missing something. What is this project?
Amortization.
Okay, let me go pull my, not exactly how the how I had done it. I'm surprised I didn't give you a little bit more help.
Here, I have it right here sharing.
Okay, that'll work.
All right. So, can you see both, or
Yeah.
so this is yours and mine now, side by side. There we go.
Hold up.
Perfect.
Payments. All right, so I think if you've been following exactly, that's 97 and yours is on 91. So there might be some missing. So let's look at it. Table head, table row, table data, table data. This is right there's got to change on 95, that 10,000. This is what you're missing is the input. You thought that I had asked you to put 10,000 in there. What I meant to ask you, or it didn't come out right, is run it and tell me. So open that back up a little bit. No, the input box. And get rid of the, you can mouse over the edge down here at the bottom and then just click and drag.
Yep.
I'd make it a little bit bigger.
Oh, okay. Here we go.
I wouldn't make necessarily the squares bigger. You don't need that. Yeah, that's better. All right.
Okay.
So what we have here, border width. This is our form. Payment. Okay, run this. Let's see what we get.
Oh, that looks way better. I mean, besides my comments on here, but let's see if it'll. Oh, wait. I can't input nothing.
It's not taking it. All right.
No.
Okay, before we do anything, what browser are you using?
This is Firefox.
Go in and look at how to show developer tools in Firefox. I think it's the hamburger menu, settings, privacy and security, cookies. It's one of these. I want you to allow developer tools is what we're looking for.
Can we do the inspect?
Hold on.
Is it like this? This?
Hold on. You gotta get back there. Is it like this. I don't see a this.
Oh, like
What
okay
I
at the bottom.
what I want to see is if there's any errors preventing the page from running correctly. So we need our developer tools. All right.
Oh.
And you're using Firefox?
Yes.
How to show developer tools in Firefox. Yeah, tools, by the menu selecting tools, web developer, or use the keyboard shortcut. You can do F12. That's easier to
Okay.
remember.
Okay. F12.
And hold on, I gotta
There we
find
go.
you again.
Oh yeah. So this is what I was on earlier. I just don't think you can see it.
Because you chose the wrong thing to share. So
Oh.
stop sharing. You need to
Okay.
share the entire screen, the whole
Yeah.
thing.
Okay. Yeah. That's. I thought I.
Try it
Yeah.
again.
Entire screen. Okay.
But it was the entire screen of one program.
Oh. Okay. Here we go. Can you perhaps see the code for this on the website?
Yes. Hold
Okay.
on. Here it is. Yes. All right. So what I want you to do, what does it say down there at the bottom? Is there something at the bottom? I
Um.
see something red and I can't, but just below that.
This is like on the computer breaking news. It's a
Okay.
freeze event.
Okay. Okay. I
Yeah.
can't tell. It's so,
Yeah. I
it's,
think you're
it's
probably have a grainy screen.
it's an older screen and my eyes are not as good as they used to be. All right. Open up HTML. Nothing else is indicating. All right. Go into open this in Firefox. View it in Firefox.
Okay.
Are we in Firefox there?
Yeah.
Then hit your
Yes.
F12.
Okay.
And that should have shown.
There we go. F12. We're right back to the same
Okay. I'm
source
trying to
page
figure
code.
your screen out. Console. Click on debugger.
Okay.
Open those up just for grins. Okay, I don't think there's. All right, and it didn't take it. All right, let's come back to your code.
Okay.
And we have script, end head, end body, form, payment. Okay, I got to try to make it bigger. It is really okay. Okay, that's a lot better. All right, so scroll. Yeah, scroll up. I'm gonna look at it from, and that's all. Scroll all the way up, and we're just gonna go through it again. All right, so all of that metadata script, function compute form, form.principal.value.length. Scroll principal, never mind, APR.value.length, years. So that's what we're missing is APR, principal, and years. So scroll down and wait a minute. Scroll. Let me see. Okay. Scroll up slowly. Principal, years, and APR, where they're coming from. We are passing them in principal, year, APR. We are passing it into function. Scroll down and slow. Monthly payment. Document right table. End row. Payment number. Interest. Principal. So it's in our first code. And scroll down. So wait, scroll up just a second. I just want to look at one more thing. Scroll up. Okay, got it. I less than payments, so you're good. Scroll down. And function round to penny. Scroll down. Form table. Payment. Scroll down. Get rid of the NBSP. This is where we're missing something. Go to the project directions. This is where you're missing something. In under payment, so on the directions, scroll up to the form. All right, so there it starts. It's in your form. Border, scroll down. Hold on. Payment, table head, table row. Hold on, I need us to see that.
Yeah, that was my bad. I didn't think it would go away.
Amount of loan. See what you're missing? You see how it says input type equals text, name equals principal? You need that.
Okay, so we got payment, TH,
It's on
TR,
95. It's on 95.
Okay.
Over, under, you're going to end the TD. So where you have the NBSP, 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 that's where you're
Yes.
going to delete that content out and put
Yep.
that input command in.
Okay. All right. Let me go back to this then there we go. Okay. And then we're going to put it in.
Outside of that, yeah.
Here we go. And then let me go back to the instructions. And it says
input type equals.
Here we go. And find my spot. Let's see. My spot was right here. Okay. Input type equals text name equals
and
AP.
yeah, that you got a plus sign.
Oh,
I think
yep. See,
you got
yep. That's
are they
equals.
both plus signs? And get rid of the quote. And we need it equals after type. Type equals text.
Oh gosh, I thought there we go.
Get rid of the quote. All right, so then we're going to have the same thing for APR, which I think you're missing. So you have number of years, so you're missing the annual line 104 to 107.
Oh my gosh, I just saw it. We're missing this whole part.
Right.
Yeah, okay. All right, I literally just see it right here.
And this
So
computer down there on line 105 should be compute. Line 105 all the way at the endish, computer, this form, it's compute.
instead of
Get rid of
computer.
the R. Get rid of the R. On click, you don't have a method called computer. You have a method called compute. Yeah.
There we go.
And your method name up there earlier.
Oh, but I still probably had computer in there. Let's see.
Okay, compute form. You're fine.
It's good. All right. Well, I guess I will put this in, and it's looking good after I put in
Try to
these few
run it.
lines.
Yeah, that's
All
all
right, let's run
it
it.
was. Is
Do you want to do it in Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer?
Firefox, because we know how to get into the development tools.
Here we go.
We need that.
Boom. So we're just still missing an enter box, like a text box for the
Nope,
total
we
number.
don't want to enter box. And actually, hold on a second. We got 3 TDs going on in. We go back to your code. Hold on, I'm going to take a screenshot of this so we don't have to keep going back and forth.
Okay,
But
that's
it's
smart.
a little goofy. Oops, what just happened to it? Screenshot. All right, go back into your code.
All right.
And it's at the bottom where we declare the form. Okay, so stop, form, order
Yep.
with, good on that. Table header, payment. All right, is that how I wrote it?
You wrote it like
Go back to the top. Oh, no, you're good. Yeah, scroll back up. I want to see what's in line 96. Yeah, that's what I had thought. You've got 2 table headers going on. So that's fine how you have it.
mm-hmm. Why does it keep going away?
But that's what it's doing. So get rid of the table header in 9 or 90. In 90. Take payment, copy it, cut it, and paste. No, just payment. Just the word payment. Cut it.
Yep.
Paste it after the greater than sign on the next line. Paste it. And then table header, payment. And let's see. And I don't know. And the less than slash th, we got to get rid of that. We got to say we're done with it. Okay, up there where it says payment on line 91.
Yep, this one.
Yeah, we got to end the header. So it's the end tags slash th. All right. Why is that on a table row? So take that table row and put it above 92. Yeah, cut that and put that after 92. Cut it, and then, yeah, paste it. Style. And table data, amount of loan. Style with input, type equals text, name equals APR. So what we have next is, go ahead and open it up in a browser. Payment. So payment is on a row by itself. So we got a missing row. So go back to your code. Yeah. You got table row. So end table. All right. Payment. Table head. Amount of loan. So where you have on 96.
Yes.
On 96, it's gonna be the /tr. No, keep that /tr and then close it out. Then we have table data and table data. And then we have the next one. So on the next style width. So it's going to be like you see in line 95. Is going to be what's similar to what you have in line. Yeah.
Right here after the or before this.
Back.
Take it back here.
Yeah. Go to the greater than sign. Don't take the greater than sign away. Get rid of all that NBSP. That's a Windows character. All right, right there. Yes. And then you got 2 TDs is what I was trying to say. You included that. Get rid of one of them. There you go.
Perfect.
Table row.
Beautiful. Yep.
Table. Well, we have an issue. Pull up my code.
The issue.
Okay. Hold on.
Yep.
Hold on. I'm seeing compute this. Scroll up.
On mine?
Yeah.
Okay.
And up. Up. I want to get to compute. Okay. Form. All right. You must fill in. All right. Scroll down in yours. So what is scroll down? All right. This is what I want. Table width 45%. So I need to see what's to, yeah, that's good. So somewhere on, this is where you have another problem. Payment number, end row, table width. Table width 45. Order, none of that really matters. Document right, you have a backslash TR
Mm-hmm.
on 48. Yeah. Then we have the header, the interest, and ending balance. And then we're going to have a document. There we go. That's part of what was wrong.
Okay.
So run this. Let's see what it looks like right now. So what it was, let me pull my. All right. So number of years is working. Payments, kind of, it should be a one. Let me see. Go back to the assignment. Seems like you should, the total number of years. We're not printing out the beginning stuff now. All right. So let's go to the beginning. You missed, and we've got 3 table data. Do you understand what I'm meaning when I say that?
Yes.
The column with payment is a table data. The column with amount is table data, and the column with this input text box is table data. So we got 3 when it
1,
should
2,
be
3.
2. Right, it should be payment, nothing. Amount of loan. So let's go get your file. Let's look at your file. Where we're developing the table is not quite right. So open up the project directions and scoot that to the side. And all right, so scroll down to the beginning of the code. All right, and scroll up in this section. All right, so this is the compute, and we don't think, or we're not worried about that yet. All right, so we do have an issue. I'm just looking at it. Years is equal to eval. If years equal to 0, alert, else, scroll down a little bit in the project directions. Else, see right there, you must fill in. So we had 1, 2, gotcha. You must fill. All right. 1, 2, else, 1, 2, 3. Function. All right, scroll down on both of them. I want to get to, this is going to be in the main part of it. So after all the all the scripts, scroll down to after the scripts. That's it. Table body, form, table. All right, scroll down on the directions. So we had table row. Scroll up just a minute on the directions. Got Okay, table head, and I'm surprised that should be an end table head. All right, so let me look. Payment, table head. All right, that should then be end row. So on line 95, enter a new line. That is table row. Get rid of 97. And you're fine. Keep going up. No, get rid of that blank. Okay, now wait, something goes there. So pull back the directions. Okay, table row. Table payment, hold on. Amount of loan. Input, that's what you're missing. There it is. Input type equals text. Name is equal to, that one should be principal.
Well,
And then pull back up the directions. All right, and slow. End row. So where you have 97, actually just do a 96 end row, which is a NTR. End it, you need, we don't, yeah, we just want the \TR. All right, so we have number, pull back up the directions. Then we have number of years on its own row. And so where it has a, that should be years. And hold up, end table row, we're missing one. Scroll up on the directions. All right, stop. Payment. That's where it is. Amount of loan. All right, so
annual interest rate.
hold up. Yeah, we've got something missing.
Yep, the APR or the annual interest rate.
Yeah. So
Because we have the money
in
there, and we don't have the percentage on it. Yep.
Go ahead and put it in.
After the so after this. Let me put them side by side. There we go. All right. So it's TD. And then interest rate.
Nah, that's not where it needs to go. Get rid of that. All right, so we had payment. Then we had, hold up, go up, go back up, one or two. That's it, stop. All right, table, row, payment, text, payment. Payment should be on a row of its own. Table head, let's see. Put a TR in front of the T. Oh no, we got to back that out. 97 doesn't go there. Put a space between 96 and 97. there. Yes. Table row to table row.
Okay.
Amount of loan. So the header,
Yes.
hold on. Input, principal, end row, start new row, number of years. Okay, I just see what you've done. Scroll down in the, yep, stop. And stop. Scroll up just a little, just a little. Okay, stop. Amount, what you're missing. Text, principal. Yeah, you're not. All right, go from table row from 98 to, no, do it. Go up a little bit. Stop. Go from 92 to 96. Copy it. Put in a new 97. Paste it. Where it says payments, type in APR.
Okay.
Or just like we did. Okay, APR.
Yep.
And then where it has, no, we can't have that table head. Get rid of that table head on line 98. Get rid of line, yeah. And that's going to be table data, TD, amount or annual percentage rate. Go on, put annual percentage rate. Get rid of the word APR. Where it has TH, make that be a TD.
Gotcha. I'm gonna cool if I put this thing in.
Yeah.
Is that okay? And then let's see here, the percentage, and then we're gonna get this TH out of here and make it a TD.
And then you have another amount of loan. So this last one on line 99.
Okay. 99.
Come out, make a enter key, give some space between 98 and 99.
Okay. I'm doing 98 and 99. There we go.
Interest rate. Then you've got copy line 101. Do 101 and 102. Copy it, paste it. All right. Input type equals APR.
Right here
Yeah.
for the name.
Okay. End row. Start a new row on 102. So press enter and type in table row.
Oh,
And it is not amount of loan, that will be years or term of loan. So that's going to be term of loan. And then it's going to be the input type equals text, name equals term,
Years.
or whatever years.
Years. Yep.
No, the amount, term of loan. Okay. I see what you're
Oh,
doing.
we have the number of years already in here.
Down there, right? But we didn't have that. Term of loan. Okay, term of loan and total number of years are the same thing. So you have
Yeah.
your APR, scroll up, stop. You have your principal, how much you're borrowing. You have your APR, scroll down and stop. Then you have your term.
This should be. Yep. This should be years.
And
but we have
then
it
get
twice.
rid of
This one.
the slash table head up to the table data. No. Leave that. Get rid of line 111, 110, and 109. All right, let's see what we got.
All right, here we go.
And watch it come out like that, which means we still, I'm seeing it until I'm blue in the face. You got, we got to take a break because it's not matching up. That's
Right, yeah, I'm
and
saying
and it's easier. We learn from things not working, so I have no problem or fuss with that. But it's easier when it's in the same that line number and everything.
right, yeah,
I
of
mean, I
course.
don't
When
because
yours
that
matches
way
up,
what you're having trouble with is matching up the table rows and the table datas.
that makes
And
sense.
then what should happen in the compute is there should be a table row, start row, type in payment number or print payment number and payment amount, add 1 to payment. So that would be one row. So it would be table row, table data, ends row. Do the next payment, start row, give me my payment number, give me my payment amount, next row. So in there should be a loop that's going on in the compute statement. And that's what I was trying to look at. But those are the
Yeah, so
two things.
I'll get some fresh eyes and try again tomorrow. So at least it's good that it's not due until the 19th, so I have time to double check
Yeah.
over again because it's going to be something super small, I'm sure. And you start looking at it long enough, and all the dots start looking like parentheses, and parentheses start looking like plus signs.
Yeah, absolutely. It's easier. I used to have a sanding paper thing. I guess you got it on monitor. So I would go in and I had the ruler that I would keep up with what line I was in. That was the
That's
only way I could keep up with it.
I've done that a couple times for the 275
Yeah,
class.
what you should
The actual
probably do is print it and then use the printout and keep up with the stuff from that.
yeah, that would be super easy.
And yeah, because it's so easy to miss one or two of the commands and they be critical commands.
Oh yeah, as I've learned.
Mistakes equate to learning.
I definitely feel more comfortable typing code into the Python instead of this web development. For some
Really?
reason, even though it's the same code, it just, I feel more familiar with the Python setting.
It may be more intuitive how we do it.
Probably. I don't
Yeah, and
know.
it's maybe easier to see.
So, but overall, I think this is a good project, and we'll see if we can get all the boxes right.
All right. I'm going to hang out for a little bit, not necessarily inside of um, Collaborate, but I am available through email and or text me and I'll get right back to you. Because I
Oh yeah,
consider this class from 7 to 9
right. And if I have any questions, I'll definitely shoot them towards you. And if not, I'll see you tomorrow night, I believe.
tomorrow night. Hopefully we'll have a little bit more participation.
That would be nice because those are some cool projects as well.
All right.
All right. Have a good night.
Thank you, Rochelle.
Thank you.
And good
Bye-bye.
night to you. Bye.